Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to make your text look bigger and more prominent in Notion. If you've ever tried to adjust font sizes in Notion and discovered there's no traditional way to do it, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create visually impactful text that stands out, whether it's for headings, important notes, or just making your workspace easier to read. All right, let's dive in. First off, it's important to know that, unlike other word processors or note-taking apps, Notion doesn't actually let you pick specific font sizes for your text. There's no menu where you can click 14-point or 20-point, unfortunately. But that doesn't mean you're stuck with the default look. There are a few simple tricks you can use to make your text noticeably larger and more attention-grabbing. Step 1. Let's take a look at the page settings. If you glance at the top right corner of your Notion page, you'll see 3 little dots stacked vertically. This is your page menu. Go ahead and click on it. And now, you should see an option labeled Small Text. By default, small text might be toggled on for certain templates or workspace views. If it's switched on, your text appears slightly more compact, almost as if everything's just shrunk down a notch. To make things bigger, simply click to untoggle Small Text. You'll notice instantly that everything on your page, paragraphs, lists, even headers, just pops a little bit more. It's a subtle change, but it can make a real difference, especially if you're working on a long document or sharing notes with a team. If you're thinking, mine doesn't look bigger, check to make sure small text was actually toggled, and give your eyes a moment to adjust. It isn't a dramatic difference, but it helps with readability. Now, for even more emphasis, we're going to use Notion's built-in header styles. Instead of manually increasing font size, because you can't, Notion lets you highlight information by changing the type of block you're using. To do this, simply type a / like this, followed by the word header. You'll see 3 options pop up: Heading 1, Heading 2, and Heading 3. These act a lot like titles, subtitles, and section headers in other programs. Heading 1 is the largest and boldest, really useful for chapter titles or big section breaks. Heading 2 is still pretty hefty, perfect for breaking subsections apart. And Heading 3 is smaller, but stands out more than your regular body text. Just select the header type that matches your needs. For example, if you want your main topic to really stand out, use Heading 1. If you want something like a subheading or a note, Heading 2 or 3 works great. You can insert these anywhere in your page where you'd like the text to be bigger and more important. And don't worry if you change your mind. Just click on the text block and switch it to a different header type, or back to a regular text block if you want things toned back down. You'll find this method super handy, not only for making text bigger, but also for organizing information visually. It's a bit like arranging signs along a walking path. The bigger and bolder the sign, the more likely someone is to stop and read it. And that's all there is to it. While Notion keeps things simple without traditional font sizes, these 2 tricks, untoggling small text and using header blocks, will give you much better control over your page's look and feel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of Notion and other productivity apps. If you've got any questions or requests for future videos, drop a comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.